Guys, welcome to my YouTube channel. It's your girl and it's McKay. So yeah, today is the 25th of June, right? So I'm currently in KZN and we are preparing for the journey we're on. We're on our way home. We're going to Eastern Cape today. So yeah, guys, please do not forget to like, subscribe and share the channel with your friends. So yeah, we're going home today. Bye bye. Good morning, guys. Morning. Welcome to I'm a shy person, but yes, I'll try to be not shy. Morning, guys. Welcome to my YouTube channel. It's your girl and it's McKay. So today, what is the date? What is the date? Nabetuna? I don't know. But yeah, guys, welcome to my YouTube channel. Today it is a Wednesday, that's what I know, and today we'll be making Welcome to my YouTube channel. I know it's been a long time. I hope you're good, you're doing well. Okay, so it's been a long time. Maybe I forgot the intros, but yeah, guys. So today it's a Friday. Yeah, my family and I just decided to go to the beach, right? Unplanned. It's an unplanned trip, but yeah, here we are. We are going. Please take along. The way it's so unplanned, I didn't even bring my swimming sets. I didn't bring anything of mine that I'll need for swimming, but yeah. Yeah, bon. Hi guys, welcome to my YouTube channel. If you are new, please don't forget to subscribe, to like, and also share the channel with your friends. So yeah, I know it's been a long time, I know, but yeah, I'm still taking care of my mental health, and things have been hectic in all aspects of life. But yeah, man, here we are, here I am, we are back with another bang, and I'm sure you guys will notice, I am not where I used to stay. So yeah, we changed, right? We moved from the old apartment into a new apartment, but I think, what is today? It's Saturday. Okay, tomorrow it will be Sunday. I think tomorrow what I'll do is I'll just make an apartment tour with you guys. Then you'll see how the new apartment looks. I think maybe in today, I don't know. What I wanted to do is I just wanted to do an apartment
an apartment tour once everything was complete, once everything was here, but I just feel like that will be unrealistic, right? Except for it being unrealistic, it will basically be me not showing you life as it is, you understand? Not showing you how life is, where we make changes, you understand? And remember, I said my page is mainly there to motivate people who have just started out, people who are building their careers. So if I show you a perfect version of our apartment, then I will not be giving you the real content, because I will be done with everything, you understand? So yeah, I guess I'll just show you everything as it is. We'll do it step by step. Yeah, show you everything as it is, and then as we finish the apartment more, as we buy more things, then only then we can say our... So guys, sorry about earlier. I was still busy shooting and then I ran out of battery, so I had to charge. So yeah, as I was saying, it would be unrealistic for me to show you this apartment once it is fully finished, because as I've said, my channel is mostly about showing people how life is like, especially when you start afresh, especially when you have no funding, no background, whatever background world. Basically, when you just transition from university to the workplace, né? So yeah. Also, I forgot to show you guys my new pillows. Are they facing? They're facing down. Are they not facing up? Yeah, they're not facing up. So far, we still have two, but we'll still get more as time goes on, because also this couch is big, so we need 4 more pillows for it to be 6. So yeah, as I was saying, so without me ranting, I feel like I'm ranting right now, I'm talking non-stop. I wanted to show you guys I wanted to unbox with you guys my glasses slash vases. So just the background story, right? If you are on TikTok, you'll know that Mr. Price home has slant glass vases. Most people do not use them as vases. They use them as glasses for mimosas, and they also use them as glasses for juice, you understand? For drinking mimosas and for drinking juice. So I was like, you know what? Let me just get myself a set of 4, so that I'll see how they like, because I'm also planning to use them as glasses. So I was like, let me see how they, so that you know. So yeah guys, let's unbox them together. Let me get it. So here is my package. This one. Okay, so here's my package from Mr. Price. Let's unbox it together. So yeah. Mr. Price is so dramatic. No, I'm even feeling pain. Guys, no. Have a look. Baby. Come. It's little baby. So here are my 4 glasses. I'm not sure if you can see, but this is how they look like. Let me just get all 4 of them. It's just to see how they are. So let's just start with the other two. I don't know whether I'll get used to them or what. I'm really not sure, but I feel like, yeah, you see how they are. So those are the glasses, right? The ones that I expected. I don't know whether maybe it's me. I expected much, but I just feel like maybe I expected more. I expected them to be bigger, you know? And right now, they are not what I expected. They are much smaller, but I think they are fine way too. Yeah, I'll just get busy with this. Then we'll catch up later at a later stage. So yeah, guys, bye. Hi guys, welcome to the YouTube channel. Together into my case. So today it is a Sunday. I did not go to church because I'm not feeling well. So yeah. So right now it is currently 12. Yes, it is currently 12. I'll be preparing lunch. I want to make steamed bread, right? Ucheke with beef stew. So yeah, that's what I'll be doing right now. Then maybe possibly later, should I have time, I'm going to show you guys our apartment. I'll just do an official apartment tour. But if I do not get time, I'll do some other time. So yeah guys, please take in and do not forget to like, subscribe and share the channel with your friends. Yeah.